Hi everyone, my name is Jessa and I'm a science student at the University of Waterloo. So for today, I'm gonna demonstrate the red phosphorus sun. So for my demonstration, I used 10 liters of round bottom flask. Of course, it is not phosphorus sun without phosphorus, so we used about 0.4 grams of red phosphorus. A match to ignite the red phosphorus. An oxygen tank to fill up the flask with oxygen, a rubber stopper with a long tube attached to it to allow the expel of gas produced in the reaction, and as well as a long metal rod with a small spoon in the bottom that holds the red phosphorus. The spoon is attached to the long metal with magnets, as you can see in this photo. So, do you know the link between bathroom, Harry Potter, and alchemy? Well, it's phosphorus. Henning Brand is the one who discovered phosphorus. What he did was he wanted to turn lead into gold. So, do you know something yellow that you can be found in the bathroom? Well, it's pee! So, what he did was he collected a large amount of his pee and then concentrated it until he made a pasty consistency of his pee. And so what he did is collected it and then he burned it. And he didn't know it was phosphorus. So that's how we have phosphorus. And this is the phosphorus sun. The word phosphorus originated from the Greek word phosphoros, which means bringer of light, which makes sense looking at our demonstration. Phosphorus is also chemiluminescent. It means that phosphorus is capable of emitting light during a chemical reaction, but without producing large quantities of heat. Did you know that phosphorus is not only in science? Well, it's also in Greek mythology. Phosphorus is the morning sun, which is a term used to describe the morning appearance of planet Venus. Moreover, do you know that phosphine, a toxic gas that is made up of 1 phosphorus and 3 hydrogens that is commonly produced by organic life forms, was recently discovered in the middle layers of Venus? Gives us a possibility that there could be something alive in the planet Venus.